Hey guys, welcome to my self-rising flour video. Alright, so I didn't realise that a lot of places over the world don't have self-rising flour, or SR flour as I call it. Yeah, I was pretty shocked. So I'm going to show you how to make it so you can cook anything you want. It's really easy. So you get 1 cup of what we call plain flour. I think a lot of you call regular flour. So you get 1 cup of your regular flour, and all you need is baking powder. Can you see that? Baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon to every 1 cup. Mix it up really, really well, and you've got yourself a cup of SR self-raising flour. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.